Why are people already lighting up firecrackers on December 29th and 30th? It's not New Year's Eve yet, and you don't have to make it extra stressful. For people or pets that struggle with the loud noises, just because you can already buy them doesn't mean you should already fire them. I mean, I don't really think you can stop most people from lighting firecrackers on New Year's Eve, but maybe on December 29th and 30th, BTW. I had to use Google Translate for this, so sorry for any mistakes. Moon out.